Well, Iowans had their final chance today to weigh in on how the state's so-called book ban law should be enforced in schools.
The law was passed in 2023, but legal challenges kept the state's rulemaking process in limbo for months. KCCI Chief Political Reporter Amanda Rooker is going over those rules for us.
Schools across the state have been seeking clearer guidelines on how to follow a sweeping education law. Passed in 2023, the law requires schools to remove books with written or visual depictions of a sex act and bans instruction on gender identity and sexual orientation. Legal challenges initially delayed the rulemaking process, but with the law now in effect, the state is now working to give clarity on what qualifies as a violation and what penalties violators will face.
Public feedback started on this set of this portion of the rulemaking in November.
Thomas Mays is the State Department of Education's rulemaking coordinator.
The earliest that the state board will consider adopting these rules will be at the state board's February meeting.
Under the proposed rules, districts must post a list of all books available to students and update it at least 2 times a year. If a library serves multiple grades, the district must make sure that students only have access to materials that are appropriate for their age and grade. Staff and administrators who break the law will first receive a written warning. Repeated offenses could mean appearing before the Iowa Board of Educational Examiners. The law also bans any instruction or promotion related to gender identity or sexual orientation before 7th grade. The rules clarify that mentioning those topics in a factual or neutral way does not violate the law.
If schools or school officials have any questions about the impact of those rules, they can feel free to reach out to the department.
In Des Moines, Amanda Rooker, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.